Adverb. Meaning. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, adding detail about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Definition. An adverb is a part of speech that provides additional information, often about manner, time, place, frequency, or degree, in a sentence. Examples in sentences. 1. Maria speaks softly when addressing her students. Here, softly is an adverb describing how Maria speaks. 2. He arrived late to the meeting because of traffic. In this sentence, late is an adverb showing when he arrived. Usage our adverbs are versatile and can appear before or after the word they modify. They often end in li, but can take other forms depending on context.
English practice.